descended from the ginger spice family, and it is widely used throughout India, Asia, and Central America to enhance the color and flavors of food. But what gives turmeric its superpowers is an active ingredient called curcumin. Curcumin is acquired from the stems of the herb and is widely known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Having optimal antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients can play a very pivotal role in combating inflammation. Some surprising facts is that curcumin only makes up about 5% of turmeric. It's similar to black pepper, where the active ingredient is called piperine, also makes up about 5% of the spice. Piperine is the reason for black pepper's rich flavor and helps inhibit drug metabolism. For example, the liver gets rid of foreign substances by making them water soluble so that they can be excreted. And piperine can exhibit this process so that curcumin is not excreted. Basically, in a nutshell, when adding piperine or black pepper when taking turmeric is going to increase the absorption. So look at piperine or black pepper and curcumin as a pair. Together, it makes your body and the absorption more bioavailable. With just a pinch or a small amount of black pepper added into turmeric will greatly improve the turmeric benefits as well as enhance it. What a lot of people may not be aware is when taking turmeric, it's ideal and very necessary to add turmeric to a fat-soluble food item. For example, adding the turmeric spice into an avocado, nut butters, nuts, fish, these are all fat-soluble foods, and therefore curcumin will directly be absorbed into the bloodstream and bypass the liver. We've already discussed that taking turmeric is an extreme anti-inflammatory spice, but in a known study, it has shown to match the power of some anti-inflammatory drugs without the negative side effects. The study also noted that during this demonstration, turmeric may play a very preventive role in treating arthritis, a disease characterized by joint inflammation and pain. According to Healthline.com, test tube studies suggest that it can decrease cancer growth, development, and spread at the molecular level. It could also contribute to the death of cancerous cells. Without a question, all things are linked to inflammation, and if you're consuming a diet that's high in anti-inflammatory foods, you're going to prevent lots of illnesses and ailments just doing that alone. Taking turmeric in the mornings is going to be the best time frame so that your body is able to absorb and actually utilize the spices throughout the day. Just be sure that you consult with your doctor because you may be on a medication that might not be the best when taking turmeric. So in conclusion, I can definitively tell you that if you're taking turmeric, you're going to give the body the best nutrients it can possibly have. Giving our bodies healthy anti-inflammatories is going to assist us to prevent a lot of diseases. So be sure that when you are on this diet, you're also doing the things that are essential for your body to work at its optimal level. That means drinking plenty of water, exercising, and getting plenty of sleep. Alrighty, my wellness people, that concludes our segment for today. Just make sure that you're doing the best you can to find that optimal balance. And taking turmeric is going to be sure to improve your body's overall performance. Having that anti-inflammatory going through your body and helping you aid some of those pains and aches that you feel is going to put you at a better mood and have a better outlook. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get all the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.